What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. Oh, I don't even know where this place is, but it is T&T Restaurant and Bar. And what we're here for is, I don't know if you guys remember last time I was in Trinidad and Tobago. We're out here looking for Ram-style chicken. And supposedly, these ladies here, ooh, shouldn't somebody arguing inside there? They're taking me for Ram-style chicken. This place is like a flicking dungeon, boy.
I will sit on Lisa before I go. Yeah. Let me go now. Let me make a little thing. We can all take up business and we go like for 3 days.
We could run. If you ask me to Glenn, next time you come.
Yeah, let me go get Anna.
They have a good Marriott.
Yeah, we could do that. I don't mind.
I'll link up with my husband.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's dark.
Yes,
Dark. 1990? Yeah, so 1919 is darker.
the bus is
This is our whole UV students just come under, you know. So it have a shop called I am taking the opportunity. So what else we taking besides Ram-style chicken?
So we're back with the margarita again.
I just.
Doesn't look as nice as the other one. Where's the line?
I don't think it's salted.
So I went to this
a little bit.
Korean bakery.
Right.
Got like a
Rum in the rocks.
cake with taste everything. That
Yes,
you
so
want,
we
but I just want to steam wontons and I'll take.
Yeah, you
And
want
very
some?
small amount of rice.
Yeah, we
Just
want
want
to
rice and chicken.
so we get a quarter portion of the plain fried rice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, plain fried rice. We want to get a portion of the steamed wontons.
Steam wonton.
Yeah, shrimp. We'll get a quarter. You want to try some Hong Kong pork or something? Or you try the Hong Kong pork, quarter Hong Kong pork, and we'll try quarter of the pepper shrimp.
In sauce,
Yeah.
no?
No, if you get it dry? Yeah.
Fried with pepper. Hong
Yeah.
Kong shrimp.
Okay, yeah, we eat them pepper today earlier. What about noodles or anything, or you're good?
Else off the menu.
May I know? I only know I come to answer the Ram-style
So this is
chicken.
the plain fried rice, steamed wontons.
Let me get in the. This is the Ram-style chicken.
That is the Ram-style chicken.
This is the pork.
Wait, Hong Kong.
Hong Kong pork.
Hong Kong pork. This one's looking good though. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ram-style
That
chicken,
red pepper in it, eh?
pepper shrimp. We've got that Hong Kong
I can't
pork.
look in the video.
Look at that. Oh, look. She wants to be in the video. Look at that. Say hello. Nice.
I was so lovely.
You are sad.
Real sad.
Me too.
Yeah.
So the final bill was $296 for all that food that we ate. The conversion rate says what, 5 to 1, I believe. So we're looking at about $30-something. Or 35, right?